Hey guys, pack my gift bag with me. This was the day I was packaging everything we were going to the outreach with. So here I'm actually arranging the sanitary bags for the kids. As you can see, this inside here we have their toothpaste, their toothbrush, and their bathing soap. And here I was trying to arrange everything for them inside the sanitary bags so that it would be very well arranged. Okay, it wasn't an easy work, but I had to start on time because had it been I waited until the D-Day, I wouldn't have been able to package everything because it was a lot of packaging and arrangement to do. So this day I started arranging, had over 84 sanitary bags to 80 something or thereabout to package for the kids. And we obviously visited 3 motherless babies home. So this is for the adult teenage motherless babies kids, and we also packaged some for the people taking care of them because the day I went to inquire, some of them asked to also get gifted. So we considered giving that particular facility, just one facility that we give their workers. So here I'm trying to count and arrange everything, and this is the sticker. This sticker is owned. It's owned by the person that sponsored this outreach. It's her motto. I don't know how to put it. She always used that particular verse of the Bible, Jeremiah 29 verse 11, and it said, "God bless you." So it's her sticker. It's what she works with, and how to put it on the food box. Okay, how to put on the food box. So this is day 2 of my packaging because I couldn't finish on the first day. I had to start again on the second day to start packaging, and this is still for the teenage children in the motherless babies home. So I was trying to arrange their sanitary bag. You can see the toothpaste is different from the one for the toddlers. Okay, we have their soap and the adult toothbrush. We had to package everything for everybody inside the sanitary bags. Okay, so I had to arrange it all so that the children, would be happy. And this is for the toddlers. This is their toothpaste. This is toothpaste for toddlers, and this is their toothbrush. I had to arrange it for them just so as to put a smile on these children's face. And this outreach was supposed to be on Valentine's Day, but because of 1 or 2 delays from the vendors and suppliers, we decided to postpone the outreach. But it still represents love. It still represents that, to show them that they are loved. That is the main reason for this particular outreach. Just to it symbolizes love, which was all about Valentine. Valentine is, we already know what Valentine is all about: showing love to your loved ones, to anybody at all close to you and around you. So the facility that has the teenage children is also the facility that we're giving this particular the toothpaste for the grown-ups. So the kids and the workers will be getting the same kind of package for the sanitary bags and everything. We had a lot of things to package. This is not just it. So keep watching the video as we go along. I'll explain, and if I'm done explaining, you can watch and see for yourself. You can watch the end and then you see for yourself. So here, these are the bags. We have different bags for different facility and for different purposes. So the green bags is for the adults. No, it's for the children, the teenage children. The pink bag is for the babies 0 to 6 months or 0 to 12 months. It's for the babies that are, because they're obviously not going to eat the food that we're going to make for them. So we had to, the Vanishia Helping Hand is the name of this particular organization that is sponsoring this particular outreach. So they decided to make availability for the babies to also have something to eat and drink, as they are not able to eat the kind of food like rice that we're going to be bringing to other people. So here is their milk. We have the baby milk, so we're trying to unbox everything and package everything for each baby for each baby, and there are 2 different facilities that have, babies, small babies that will be getting this. So each facility will be getting 12. Sorry, each facility will be getting 5 for the little babies. I don't know if they have more than that or less than that, but each facility will have to make do with this particular 12. We had to make it 6 at the end of the day. But here the packaging was, at first it was supposed to be 5, but because we had extra items, we tried to make the sanitary, the baby gift bags, the baby bags, 12. So here we have pick 1, 2, 3 for the babies too, that they can drink. Moving along, I'm trying to unbox everything and count everything that we have. So here are the baby food and bottle, since they don't have food and they cannot eat in the takeaway. So this is the only thing that they can eat with, which is the feeding bottle. We have the baby wipes. This particular video is just to unbox, is just to package the bags. We also had other, diapers, but obviously they are not entering this bag. So on this day, I was trying to arrange everything that is going to enter inside the bag. The diapers is going as a whole, big like that. So we're not trying to put it inside any bag. So I'm not packaging it here. So the wipes, the baby Cerelac, which is the baby food, since they are not going to be getting rice, I already said that earlier, they'll be getting Cerelac baby food. And then we also got teddy bears for the little babies so that they could actually play with it. So here I'm unboxing all the teddy bears that we got for the little babies, just so everybody will be happy, and the goal is to make them feel loved, put a smile, a very big smile on their faces. And that was the most important thing, and the reason for this particular outreach, which is highly sponsored, proudly sponsored by Venetia Helping Hand. They are the organization that is actually sponsoring this particular outreach with a lot of love in their hearts to these kids. Okay, so here each baby will be getting 1 baby milk, another milk, pick 1, 2, 3, and they'll be getting Kiss Kids diapers, and each baby will be getting a Cerelac baby food, cereals, and they'll also be getting Milo. They'll be getting Milo, and they'll be getting 2 feeding bottle. Each baby will be getting 2 feeding bottle. So here I'm trying to unbox the feeding bottle, and they also got 2 teddy bears. At first I added 1 teddy bear, but if you watch to the end, you see that I later had to add 2 teddy bears because we had more than enough, so we had to give them 2 teddy bears. And we also had other packages for the toddlers. We also had other packages for the 2, 3-year-old, 4-year-old babies. We had toys for them. We had drinks, apple, chin, candy, snacks for all of them. And I'm sure that these babies are most definitely going to love it. They're going to be happy. Okay, so here is everything. We had the logo bag too, and this is a logo bag, which is my own brand. This particular bag was branded Mesiwato Food Content and Outreach. It's just a whole lot. So watch to the end of the video, and I'm sure you're gonna be blessed. I'm very sure this video is gonna put a smile on your face. Okay, watch to the end and have fun while you do so, and also make sure you do have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Oh, I am lost in the echoes of my heart. Oh, I find solace in where the shadows start. In the labyrinth of my mind, I play my part. Oh, in the darkness is where I make my art. In the silence of my mind, I wander through the shadows of my thoughts I ponder. Every choice and every echo is a wonder. In the twilight of my dreams I can plunder. In the stillness of night I am sailing. Through the sea of my doubts I'm prevailing. Every heartbeat, every whisper is hailing. In the calm of my soul I'm unveiling. Oh, I am lost in the echoes of my heart. Oh, I find solace in where the shadows start. In the labyrinth of my mind I play my part. Oh, in the darkness is where I make my art. In the quiet of the dawn I'm inspired. Through the haze of my past I'm not tired. Every step, every breath is required. In the hope of my future I'm wired. In the echo of my thoughts I find meaning. Through the silent waves my doubts are weaning. Every emotion, every tear is leaning. In the depth of my feeling I'm gleaning. Oh, I am lost in the echoes of my heart. Oh, I find solace in where the shadows start. In the labyrinth of my mind I play my part. Oh, in the darkness is where I make my art. Oh, I am lost in the echoes of my heart. Oh, I find solace in where the shadows start. In the labyrinth of my mind I play my part. Oh, in the darkness is where I make my art. In the silence of my mind I wander. Through the shadows of my thoughts I ponder. Every choice and every echo is a wonder. In the twilight of my dreams I can plunder. In the stillness of night I am sailing. Through the sea of my doubts I'm prevailing. Every heartbeat, every whisper is hailing. In the calm of my soul I'm unveiling. Oh, I am lost in the echoes of my heart. Oh, I find solace in where the shadows start. In the labyrinth of my mind I play my part. Oh, in the darkness is where I make my art. In the quiet of the dawn I'm inspired. Through the haze of my past I'm not tired. Every step, every breath is required. In the hope of my future I'm wired. In the echo of my thoughts I find meaning. Through the silent waves my doubts are weak.